Hi friends, I am Chitra, SEBI-registered research analyst. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn the concept same-day CPR. So we have learned, so many concepts in the CPR, that is what is called CPR, and how can we use that for intraday, how can we use that for swing trading, and what are the, overlapping CPR, higher value CPR. So that these are the different concepts about the CPR. So what is called the same-day CPR and how it will work. Okay, that is when yesterday's CPR and today's CPR are at the same level, that is a pivot point are at the same level, then that can lead to the high probability of trading opportunities that we can see. Look for long trade, or you can look for short trade opportunities. Okay, so in this picture we can see that this is the yesterday CPR and this is the today's CPR, and this is the pivot point. So yesterday's and today's pivot points are same, that is called the same day CPR. Okay. So what is called CPR then? CPR is calculated from the previous day high, low and the close. Okay, that is called the central pivot range, and it will act as intraday support and resistance if you are using the daily CPR, and if you are using the weekly CPR, then it will act as the weekly support and resistance levels. And also the professional traders use the CPR to identify the market biases before the market opens. So we can analyze what is today's CPR and how is it going to open. So what are the different types of CPR? So the higher value CPR means it is bullish. Why it is called bullish? Meaning, today's entire CPR is above the yesterday's CPR. So that is the higher value CPR. So what will be the market psychology? So buyers are willing to pay higher prices, and market sentiment is looking bullish. So in that case you can look for long trade opportunities. Okay, so you can buy near the pivot point or buy near the CPR, that is called higher value CPR. So what is called lower value CPR? Lower value CPR, the sentiment is looking bearish. Okay, that is the today's CPR is completely opening below the yesterday CPR. So that is called the lower value CPR. Okay, here the sellers are in control, and you can look for short trade opportunities below the CPR or below the pivot point. Okay, so look for selling near the CPR level or CPR resistance. Okay, now what is called inside value CPR? So that is the third one. What is called the inside CPR? That is called the compression. Compression means market is looking sideways, or today's CPR completely lies inside the yesterday's CPR. So that is the inside value CPR. So market is volatility is very low, and energy is building for breakout. So you can look for either breakout or breakdown trade. Okay, so outside CPR means that is called the expansion. That is today's CPR is wider than yesterday's CPR and extends above or below it. Okay, here the psychology is we have to wait for either the strong directional move or volatility will be little more. Next is the overlapping CPR. What is overlapping CPR? The psychology is looking neutral. That is part of today's CPR overlaps. That is today's CPR overlap with yesterday's CPR. That is called the overlapping CPR. In that case, we can say that neutral means what? The buyers or sellers both are in control. That is mixed sentiment. It is the neutral sentiment. It is. Now next is the same CPR. Same CPR means strong decision zone. That is today's CPR is exactly same as the yesterday CPR. So it is a very rare scenario. So the psychology is the both buyers and sellers agree with the same value, and price will often react strongly around this zone. Okay, so in this case you have to watch the CPR closely. Okay, either breakout above the CPR, a strong bullish move will be there. Break down below the CPR, strong bearish movement will be there. Okay, so this particular zone will act as support and resistance. Same day CPR. So same day CPR is yesterday's CPR is this, and today's CPR is this one. So these are exactly on the same level. The pivot point remains the same for yesterday and for today. Okay, so this indicates that price acceptance and market is in balance, and strong move often follows once buyers or sellers take the control. That is, if there is a same day CPR, okay, and if the price is opening above the CPR level, in that case buyers are in control. You can look for long trade opportunities above this particular level. And same CPR plus bullish breakout, you need to wait for the breakout for entering into the long trade. And same day CPR plus bearish breakdown, in the sense you need to wait for the CPR breakdown for in order to enter into the short trade opportunities. Okay, so this is how you need to, enter into the trades if it is a same day CPR. So if it is a same day CPR, so if you have analyzed that today CPR and yesterday CPR is the same, what are the, analysis you have to do before the market opens? That is, same CPR observed, then in that case, you should understand that, indicating a strong decision zone is there. So you have to either wait for breakout or breakdown, and also you have to look into the, open interest data that is suggesting a bullish movement. And if the price is opening above the CPR, then your view should be bullish. And this setup we have seen the Nifty chart, which I have shared with my shared in my Telegram channel. I have shared with the chart also, that is today, tomorrow, yesterday I have shared, that is on 16th of July I have shared, that is tomorrow CPR is the same day CPR. So plan your trade accordingly. I have shared in my Telegram channel, that is I shared the setup before the market opens. Okay, so this is the Nifty chart. So we can see here, this is the CPR of 16th July and this is 17th July. So what I have shared, so what I'm going to explain is today CPR and yesterday CPR is same. Okay, this is the TC, pivot point, and BC. So TC is called what? TC is called the top central pivot. Then pivot point, this is the P point, and BC is the bottom central pivot. So again the same for 17th July also. This is the TC, this is the pivot point, and this is the BC. Okay, so today CPR and yesterday CPR is same, and the pivot point of today and yesterday is also the same. So this is called the same day CPR. This is called what? Same day CPR. Okay, so now if it is a same day CPR, what are the analysis that I have explained to you, how you have to enter into the trade? So the CPR breakout we got here. Here we can see this is the CPR breakout. Here we can see first candle itself took support at the pivot point. This is the pivot point and this is the TC. So first candle took support where at that, this is called the pivot level. This is the pivot level. So price took support at the pivot point and we got a breakout above this CPR. So our sentiment is bullish. Okay, so above this you can look for long trade opportunities. So wait for the strong breakout above the CPR. In that case you can look for long trade opportunities. And I'm bullish for Nifty today. Okay, so this is the same day CPR concept. Okay, so in this case buyers are in control if we are getting a breakout above this. In case if you are getting a breakdown, in that case how it will work? If you are getting any red candle here, in that case it is a, you can look for short trade opportunities. You can look for short trade opportunities. Okay, as we got a breakout, in that case you can look for long trade opportunities. Okay, as the price is opening above the CPR. Okay, this is my Telegram channel, Trader Chitra. So here I used to share the live analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, that is index options I used to share, and I used to give the calls also, and I used to give the live support and resistance levels here. Okay, so here I have shared that is on 16th July I have shared that today is the CPR. When you look into the CPR, that is yesterday CPR and today CPR is the same. So you can plan your trade accordingly. So I have explained the concept also. Okay, so before the market open I have shared all these things. So I have I will be sharing the live levels and live calls also here. Okay, so those who are trading Nifty or those who are trading index options can join this Telegram channel. Okay, so link I will be providing in the description box below. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.